Yo, how's it going, everybody? My name's Dalton. Welcome back to Episode of Garage United. In today's video, we got a whole lot of stuff to do. We've got our barbecue housewarming party coming up tomorrow. I gotta do a couple more things with the Miata. We got stuff coming in for the go-karts today, and we're currently heading to Monicatti Auto Sales out here in Richmond. We've got a ton of stuff to do today. We're gonna roll up here. I have no idea what cars we're driving. Let's see if he maybe have something new on the lot that I've never seen before. Maybe something that hasn't gone online yet. So we'll figure it out when we get there, I guess. Well, I certainly don't see anything new over here, but I do possibly see a couple potential vehicles we can take. So I'm gonna go in and inquire about it and see if they're available. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Oh, 1965, that's pretty old. 2007 Mustang Shelby. Ooh. Yeah, we'll take that one. That'll be fun. Oh man, there's so many more cars and vehicles up here though. I don't know, I gotta think of something to come back to. First car of the day is a 2007 Shelby Mustang. So this is gonna be sweet. Oh, and it's manual. Okay. Good, they got a manual car in here I can drive. All right, guys, not gonna lie, this car was pretty freaking cool. This thing is an absolute menace on the road. I love that. Car's available if you guys want it. Just go ahead and check out Monicatti. A 1986 Ford Mustang Black. This one's gonna be a good one, guys. Watch out for this review, it's gonna be fun. All right, well, that was an interesting drive. This is an 86 Mustang Celine with a Paxton supercharger. That was no joke. Wasn't expecting to drive something like that today, but we did, because this is the kind of fun we have here. All right, we just got done at Monicatti, and now we're gonna run a couple errands. But you know what? It's really interesting with that place, because I never know what I'm getting myself into, because I don't really expect to drive the cars that I drive. And then I get to enjoy them, review them, talk about them, advertise for the company. It's just a nice experience. It's just relaxing. I just get to get in and do what I like to do with the ease of doing it. There's something about it. It just hits me right. I have a lot of fun with it. Guys, like I was saying, today we're just moving and grooving. We're gonna take this thing out, go get the brakes aligned on that. Or, I'm sorry, we're gonna get the brakes bedded on that. And then we just got the pads off of this guy, which are actually really small brake pads, but they're pretty shot. They're down to the metal, so we're gonna get some new ones of those too. We just got done bedding the brakes on this thing, and look at how insanely dusty those are. That was absurd. That car was making me sick. It stopped so hard. Oh man, oh, look at the dust on there. Yeah, they're gonna create some dust, that's for sure. But guys, that's gonna do it for today. We gotta get back to working on this thing. Peace out, keep turning those gears.